Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixAdventures. Today in this video I'm going to go and show you how to operate a John Deere LA125 riding lawnmower. Now the first thing you want to check is the fuel and see how much you have in there. Right under the seat you can check the fuel right here, and you can see my fuel is about halfway on this gauge, so I'm good to go. Otherwise you can lift up the seat and you can add gasoline right here, or you can check it manually. So if you just unscrew the cap, you can just put standard gasoline right here. Now, this you can put your cutting depth at for your blades. Sometimes these may be inaccurate. Maybe you hit something like a rock or something and your blades are off in terms of the depth. So if you start at like 4 and then you just work your way down, you can kind of see where you want to go ahead and put that. Typically I leave mine around 2.5, so that should be good. Now this is the brake right here. Just by pressing that in, you'll stop. This is the parking brake. You have to push in the brake and then lift this up to engage that. Now, if we go ahead and jump on the tractor, we'll get a better view here. So you want to press in the brake, then lift up the parking brake, and your brake will still be pressed in. Then you can get off your tractor if the tractor is on. Now, this is how I'd suggest starting it. So you got your parking brake on. Then right here is your throttle. Now when you're starting, you want to go ahead and have your throttle all the way up where the rabbit is showing. Then after you start it, you'll bring this all the way down to about halfway, and you'll feel it will kind of like sit in a groove and it'll stop about midway. Now this little button right here, I don't know exactly what it's called, but it is stated IRO, and I press this when I have the blades engaged and I'm cutting. I'll go ahead and press this and I'll back up. Now typically if you try to back up and you have the Mower Pto, your blades are spinning, your engine will start to cut off if you're backing up with your blades engaged. So that is why we have this RIO button. We can override that from cutting off our engine when we're trying to back up with the Mower Pto on. Then here's the Mower Pto. If you go ahead and engage this upward like this, your blades will start spinning and you will start cutting. So we want to have this off when we are starting. Now to start your mower, you'd turn this all the way to the right. Now you do have an option to put on your headlights right here. If I go ahead and just move this up, just one spot, maybe you can see it, maybe you can't, but my headlights turn on. So you want to go ahead and completely crank this to the right and start your mower, and then bring this down to the headlight position. That's how you would go ahead and get your headlights on when you're cutting. Now on the right side we have our throttle. So if we want to go forward, we have to press this in, and then we'll continue forward. Then right here, indicated by the arrow, if we press this down, this will be our reverse. So we will go ahead and back up. Now you'd want to go ahead and press this down when your PTO is engaged, and this RIO button to back up. So you'd want to press both these down at the same time to back up. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start the mower now. I'm going to press the brake down, engage my parking brake, put my throttle up, turn my ignition to the right and crank it, and make sure my Mower Pto is off.